You're seeing no photo available on your photo widget because of one of several common issues. The widget may not be linked to a specific album. To fix this, long press the widget on your home screen and select Edit Widget. Choose a specific album like Recents or Favorites instead of Smart Album. The selected album might be empty. Ensure it contains photos. Another cause is restrictive photo permissions. Go to your device settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Photos, and ensure the widget app has permission to access all photos. If you use iCloud Photos, a slow or no internet connection can prevent photos from loading. Check your Wi-Fi or cellular data, the widget could be glitched. Remove it by long pressing and selecting Remove Widget, then re-add it from the widget gallery. Your device's storage might be critically full, preventing image catching. Free up space in settings under General and iPhone storage. Outdated software can also cause this. Update your iOS in settings under General and Software Update. After checking these, restart your device to refresh all processes. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.